This is sushi rice. This nori. Huwag mo masyadong ano daw. Taas ba?
Please, don't speak Tagalog. Take one.
Kasama mo ka mo, Chief?
Ako director eh.
Kasama mo ka mo?
Oo. Yung ginagawa ko,
This is how they make the sushi. They call it the futanaki-san. This is the rice. Comes with the 5 slices.
Here goes our chef,
Put the fresh salmon.
our head chef, which is today.
Put the rice in the nori. Put the salmon. Fresh salmon, and put the tuna and the white fish. They call it the futanaki-san trio. Okay? Yeah. With the tuna. Fresh from the
Red Sea.
Red Sea Marina. Okay, and we got the white fish, they call it Najil. Tama na yun. Pag na-slice yung ano.
Yung oso mo na lang.
Sige, sige. Tapos mamaya na ulit. Yung isang ano, yung isang slicing mo yung isa siya. Ganyan, slicing mo yan. Tapos mamaya ulit yung isang bago naman. Ito ang matipita.
Ipos mo. Tanggalin mo yung ilaw dyan dong. Pindutin mo yung bumbilya. Para mawala yung ilaw.
Saan bumili dito?